Hello and welcome to the weekend edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. VP Records pays tribute to the history of dancehall with the release of their new project dubbed Dancehall Anthems. The compilation boasts new recordings of classic reggae and dancehall tracks from the golden era of the 80s and 90s, delivering a fresh perspective and voices to the timeless classics. Dancehall Anthems is produced by veteran dancehall producer Jeremy Harding and features Kabaka Pyramid, Sean Paul, Beanie Man, Agent Sasco, Wayne Marshall, Roncus, Black Hero, Bugle and Royal Blue among others, taking on classic materials from Yellowman, Michigan and Smiley, Ken Booth, Tenasaw, Papa San and Louis Culture. The first set of tracks released from the project includes Kabaka Pyramid's exceptional interpretation of Michigan and Smiley's 79-track Nice Up the Dance. On the track, Kabaka incorporates the original lyrics while adding his own flair, bringing the song into a contemporary context.
A long time on a DJ in a dance, a long time on a chant in a dance. Me come for nice up the area, me come for nice up Jamaica, but watch a dread.
On the album, Wayne Marshall also pays tribute to Tenasaw with his rendition of Lots of Sign, and upcoming artist Roncus lends his voice to Papa San's Strange. Now, Dancehall Anthems features a variety of covers and also includes creative adaptations such as Sean Paul's Marijuana Me Love, based on Tiger's No Puppy Love, featuring all new lyrics. The project was released today and is available on all streaming platforms. Now, Maroon 5 has teamed up with the unruly boss himself, Popcorn, for the remix of Nobody's Love. The track was released today and sees Popcorn adding some dancehall flavor with his signature flow to the track.
Baby girl, me will die for you. One day if you would die for me. Me baby, me give it a try for you. Give it a try for me.
The original single was released back in July when the pop band decided to give fans a moment of peace and something to reflect on while the world is going through the global COVID-19 pandemic. Now, prior to the release, the lead singer Adam Levine penned a note to fans on Instagram explaining why the song was so important for the current time and why it resonates with so many people. The video for the track also sees the band advocating for the decriminalization of marijuana. Nobody's Love will also be featured on the band's 7th studio album. Now, tomorrow night, Fame Frequency will pay homage to the icons of reggae with Heroes of Reggae edition for this Heroes Holiday weekend. The party kicks off at 9 p.m. on RETV and 10:45 right here on TVJ and sees DJs Tropical, Donovan Dakers, Wizkid and the Captain Colin Hines delivering classic hits from the genre. Come dressed in your Jamaican colors and be a part of the virtual party experience on our VIP Zoom Watch Yourself area. That's it for the weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Have a wonderful weekend. Be safe.